Hello friends, in today's video we're looking at this, which is the 7 back when you spend 30 on health and wellness, and this is valid for the next 2 weeks. I believe every account must have one of these, and unfortunately with the other booster that we had, it expired before this one appeared. Now alternatively, if you want to do this in store and use this one, if you might have a paper booster like this, which is a 7 back when you spend 30, I mean that's $14 back on a $30 purchase. It's a different way to look at it. Unfortunately, you can't use any coupon codes to go with if you're doing in-store shopping, but it's an alternative way. I mean, $14 back is still a fantastic little dealio, but for this one, we're just looking at using this guy with discount codes. Now, what is curbside pickup? You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking it up. For items that need a receipt, you must ask the cashier to process your order on a regular register, not through the handheld, so you can get a printout receipt. Please make sure you do that, because if there is like $15 back with IBOTTA, you kind of need that money to make these deals fly. Okay, so I did make a video yesterday talking about the 70% off summer merchandise. Like the Kenny Rogers song, I am going to hold my cards and I am going to wait till it hits 80. I believe it's going to hit 80 and that's it. They're going to probably pack it up and then it's going to be sent off to auction. And certain stores that buy seasonal shelf pulls, and this is a seasonal shelf pull, Walgreens will make way more money than making it 90. I'm not sure where that rumor is of 90. Everybody's saying 90, 90, 90. I'm going to wait for a 90. The problem is it hasn't hit 90, I think, in the last 4 or 5 years. Walgreens makes way more money by boxing up like 5 or 6 stores and then auctioning it to, companies that buy seasonal shelf pulls. If you watch Retail Rabbit here on YouTube, he does these massive Walgreens unboxings. So stuff hasn't hit 90 in a very long time. Now, if you look at the tag, it says valid from the 3rd, which was Tuesday, right till the 8th. So I'm thinking on Monday the 9th, it'll hit 80%. However, I might be completely wrong. Sometimes on Thursday the 5th, it might hit 80%. It's done that before in years past. It's either going to be the 9th, which is going to be the following Monday. It's going to hit 80, or possibly, I've seen it before, the Thursday of when they put these signs out, they drop it more, depending, they're looking at the back end of this, how much of it it's moving to get people more interested and back to the store. They might make it 80. So definitely keep your eye on social media. And if I find any more information, I'll share it with you guys. But these are the dates that we have. Deal number 1. Okay, so this is all medical stuff. If this is your thing, this is your video. We have a 7 back when you spend 30. This is of a one-time use. Make sure you have it loaded. And again, we're doing all this curbside. So we're going to throw in 4 of these live vitamins. And it's 50 counts for $41.96 on a buy one, get one 50% off. I've never tried this supplement, but it looks like a pretty good company. Now, if you scoot over to IBOTTA, there's $3 back on each. So you're actually getting $12 back with the purchase of these Alive supplements. Does that not make you a little bit alive? So no digital coupons needed with this high value cashback. I think it's pretty fantastic. So I'm loving this. Now, to get the math to balance, my friends, we're going to throw in 3 of these Maybelline eye makeup removers. This has nothing to do with medical, but I'm trying to get my basket way past 50 so I can use a better coupon code. So hopefully you follow my drift. Unfortunately, baby lips you can't add anymore, but these makeup removers you can. And we have a 6 off of 2, and they are buy 2, get the 3rd for free. So looking at this, Maybelline coupon coming off, and then we have this save 20, so it's taking $9.52 off. So with the vitamins alone, I can't get that high savings, but throwing in Maybelline, I can get that high savings. So I think you can see where I'm going. The overall total is $53.54. $9.52 melting off, free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax, and that $6 digital melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $38.65. You're getting back $12, $5 for Maybelline, and then $7 for that booster. Plus, you're going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA, so you need a receipt. $12 back from IBOTTA. So after everything's said and done, it's like $14 for this magical basket. and it makes these supplements, very affordable. So I think this is not a bad little deal. Okay, so deal number 2, we need our best friend loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend 30. Please make sure you have this loaded and pick wisely which basket you want to do, or if you want to keep this for next week, that will also work. For this one, we're going to get these roll-ons. It's called a Bactine Max No Mess with lidocaine roll-on. There used to be a lot of products that had lidocaine, and then they removed a bunch of them. So this is a very rare product to see. So we are at $29.97. Didn't they do that on purpose? Over on IBOTTA, you're going to get $5 back for each. So that's $15 back. Do you not see how gorgeous this is? Especially if you have aches and pains. It's fantastic. Okay, so now we're also going to throw in 3 hydrogen peroxides. I'm not going to mess around with the Maybelline for this basket in case you're like, I already used my coupon, or I'm not interested in that. Just 3 hydrogen peroxides, which is something you always need in your stockpile. And then just to show you, with the code WAG10, $3.37 melting off. Okay, guys, so it's $33.69. We have that coupon code taking $3.37 off. You're still at $30.32. No tax for this, which is really nice. You're getting back $7 for the booster. Then you're going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $15 back. It makes this $8.32 for Bactines for aches and pains, and then we also have the hydrogen peroxide, which is fantastic. Even for stain removers, it makes your basket essentially $8.32, which is great. The final basket that we're looking at, or deal number 3, again, you need your BFF loaded, which is a 7 back when you spend 30. For this one, we're going to be throwing in 2 of these multi-purpose solutions by Renew, some sort of eye wash on a buy one, get one 50% off. We have a $3 Walgreens coupon, so that's really going to affect our balance, but we've definitely looked at the math to make it balance. And then we have another 3 off that's going to apply for this transaction. Now we're also going to throw in 2 of these Vital Protein Collagen powders, and they're on a buy one, get one 50% off, so $40.48. We have this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. Now over on IBOTTA, there's $5 back, and Walgreens is one of the store, so you'll need a receipt from your transaction. So looking at this, we have $6 off for the eye care, $3 off for the collagen, save 20, $8.40 off, which is your baskets hit more than 50, and then the $3 for the Renew, and that's a manufacturer coupon. Hey guys, just to show you the basket, it's $53.96 with the instant value or the Walgreens coupons. We are at $14.40 saved. So the balance is still $39.56. So we're still at that $30 threshold. Subtracting another $6 in manufacturers, you're going to pay $33.95 with your debit card. You're getting back 7, and then you're also getting back 5 from IBOTTA, making this basket $21.56. If you consider the price of one of those protein powders or the collagen powders, it's not a bad little dealio. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.